Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you're tuning in from around the globe. Morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Welcome to the $1 Trillion Tickets broadcast. I'm your host, Matt Riches. It is Monday, April 13th, 2026. Let's get into it. I'm running 2 shows every day. This is the pre-market brief, and we'll be back for the market open and breakdown live price action, momentum, and execution. Remember, I'll watch the charts and give you breaking news and find the levels so you don't have to. It's Monday morning. The relief rally is done. We have moved back from 37 to 32 on the Fear and Greed Index. The Islamabad talks failed over the weekend with J.D. Vance. Trump has announced a U.S. Navy blockade of the Iranian ports starting at 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Oil is back over $100 a barrel, and earnings season is being overshadowed. All right, let's get into the mantra. I deserve to be healthy. I deserve to be happy. I deserve the wealth that I'm building for me and my family. Riches and freedom, they come to our hands. I'm the master of all I command. My learning is limitless. My earnings are too. The more I discover, the more I can do. The stock market is a machine of design, and I have the power to make that wealth mine. I am capable. I am skilled. I am bold. Blessings on the journey as the vision unfolds. All right, earnings season is back. So let me pull up. We had 2 earnings in the pre-market. First, we had Goldman Sachs. As you can see, this major drop, but it's not based on earnings though, because Goldman Sachs actually had a nice beat on earnings. They beat by 6.5%, and they had a beat on revenue by 1.3%. But it is down 4% in the pre-market. But I think that's based on the Iran war. And next we have Fastenal. Small beat on the top and bottom. But as you can see, it's down about 3% from the Friday close. All right, let's get into Robert Greene's daily law. Better to be attacked than ignored. Daily law. Make no distinction between kinds of attention. Notoriety of any sort will bring you power. It is better to be slandered and attacked than ignored. To avoid being a flash in the pan, you must master the skill of attracting attention, as notoriety of any kind serves you power. Society craves larger-than-life figures, so you should never fear the qualities that set you apart or court controversy to keep your star in the sky. Every professional must have a bit of showmanship, realizing that even being attacked or slandered is a tool to ensure you are never forgotten. In long-term investing, the reputation of the $1 trillion tickers is often built during periods where they are heavily attacked by the media and court cynics. When a titan like Goldman Sachs beats earnings by 6% but gets attacked with a 4% price drop, the disciplined investor recognizes the notoriety as a smokescreen for value. You must not be a flash-in-the-pan investor who disappears when the headlines get loud and controversial. Fulfilling your life's task requires you to stand above the general mediocrity of panic sellers who are cowed by the slander of a volatile market. The bigger the controversy, the brighter the opportunity for those who have established their own place in the sky. Active traders often make the mistake of wanting a quiet market, but you must realize that controversy and volatility are the lodestones that attract profit. To trade the 7 a.m. blockade, you must be a bit of a showman, reacting to the notoriety of the headline without discriminating between good or bad news. Trump is currently courting global scandal with the Strait of Hormuz blockade to ensure his reputation remains the cornerstone of power. As a trader, being attacked by a stop loss is better than being ignored by the move entirely. You stay in the game by staying relevant to the charts. Never be afraid of the extreme volatility that sets this year apart from the general mediocrity of the past. Stay patient, stay disciplined, execution over emotion, process over prediction. Let's get into these levels, y'all. Alright, SPY currently in the pre-market at 676.55. To the downside support, we got the pre-market low, 374, 373.80, 362.40. To the upside resistance, we got the pre-market highs, 677.08, 678.50, and 680.30. QQQ currently in the pre-market, 608.40. To the downside support, we got 607.70. Pre-market low is 605.50 and 603.05. To the upside resistance, we got the pre-market high, 608.93, 609.60, and 610.50. Currently in the pre-market, NVIDIA is at 185.90. To the downside support, we got the pre-market low at 185.25, 184.10, and 182.80. To the upside resistance, which is very close to the price right now, is 186, followed by 186.30, pre-market high 186.80, and 187.95. Tesla currently in the pre-market at 347.36. To the downside support, we got the pre-market low at 345.35, followed by 343.25 and 342.75. To the upside resistance, we got the pre-market high at 348.26, followed by 349 and 350. All right, so I'm only giving four tickers. I'm only giving levels for four tickers now. 3 to the upside, 3 to the downside. SPY, QQQ, and then 2 different tickers from the trade down tickers. All right, so we'll see you at the market open. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom.